This son of a bitch that's been scaring my kid for years. I'm gonna put this motherfucker right up against this brick wall, but it's not high up enough. So I would like it hung up. I need to be able to come right at it. Oh wait, right here. You're gonna dude. Look at the stupid face. You. All right, Billy, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna put him up here and do the swanging thing.
Through the door.
And then if he doesn't pop, then we're gonna have to put this son of a bitch right up against this piece of concrete.
Nice.
Look at this stupid face. I can't wait to run into you. How many times?
I'm saying the first hit will destroy it.
Probably maybe 3 tries.
I don't think he's hitting it. I think your quad's gonna break before you hit it.
We'll see.
No matter what you believe, it's always another idea, and there's this based on fear. The fear of being sus for what they really are. The fear of being laughed at when they go too far. They call it paranoia, you can't laugh it away until you come to realise everyone's the same. People like their problems under faces of contempt. They hide them till it kills them, and no one expects them not